In the sixth session, we will discuss about your debtors account as well as creditors account. If it is a credit transaction, then you will call it as credit or debtors account. Now, it is not only bills receivable dishonored. If it is bills receivable, it will come this side. So remember, opening debtors means balance brought down. Next. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the sixth session of your topic called Accounting from Incomplete Records. So, up to your session 5, we discussed about the statement of affairs as well as your profit and loss account. Now, in the sixth session, we will discuss about your debtors account as well as creditors account. You may think, what is the meaning of debtors account and what is the meaning of creditors account? Why this debtors account and creditors account comes under statement of incomplete records? Now, so in this what happens? Normally in incomplete records, all the informations are incomplete. But we have to pay to the outsiders like creditors. We have to collect money from outsiders, those are debtors. Even though your informations are incomplete, even though your informations are limited, with the help of those informations, we have to prepare your debtors account and your creditors account. And for your 6-mark question, the more than 70% chances are on debtors as well as creditors account. There are two kinds of problems you may expect for 6 mark. One will be your P&L with statement of affairs, what we did in your previous sessions. And one more kind of questions will be preparation of debtors account and preparation of creditors account. You may get even your P&L account or else you may get even debtors or creditors account. Any one you may get in your examination. More than 75% the chances are debtors and creditors account. Why? Because your statement of affairs and profit and loss account, again it will come for 12 marks. Your statement of affairs and your P&L account, again it will come for 12 marks. But debtors and creditors account, it is only for 6 marks. This, whatever we discuss now, debtors and creditors, you will not get even 1% in 12 marks. It is only limited for 6 mark problem. Clear? Yes. We'll go for the debtors and creditors account. First, we will understand what is debtors and what is creditors. Later, we'll go for the format of debtors account and format of creditors account. Now, so before this, we will understand credit sales and credit purchases. We have two types of sales and two types of purchases. For example, you have done any purchases. There are two types. One will be credit purchase. Another one will be cash purchase. If it is cash purchase, it will not affect your debtors. Why? Because, for example, if you go to any shop, you bought or you purchased for rupees 1000. Again, I'll repeat. If you go to any provision shop, they are very close to you. You purchase for 1000 worth goods. From the pocket, you gave 1000 and you purchased all the provisions. Now, will they write your name like XYZ 1000? No. They will write some customer has came and 1000 worth rupees shopped. That is over. End of the chapter. Same example we will revise. You shopped for 1000. You did not pay 1000. Again, I'll repeat. You shopped for 1000, but you did not pay that 1000. You promised that tomorrow I will pay that 1000. Or else you promise that next month I will pay that 1000. What shopkeeper will do? In the book, he will write Mr. XYZ has shopped for 1000. He will pay money after 1 month. Those things he will write in the books. So the model is very simple. If you pay and buy, your debtors account will not come. If you are taken goods on credit basis and promise that you will pay next month, tomorrow, next week, then your name will be recorded. That is nothing but your debtors account. Clear? Yes. Now, if it is a cash transaction, there is no debtors account. If it is a credit transaction, then you will call it as credit or debtors account. Now, any purchases made. So in this, what happened? The customer has purchased. On what basis? Credit basis. So purchase and we have sales also. Same procedure. One is on credit, another one is on cash. If there is a cash, there is no debtors or creditor concept. Now, if you are sold on credit basis, it is nothing but credit sales. If you are purchased on credit basis, it will be called as credit purchase. For this, we have to go for creditors account. For this, you should go for debtors account. Hope you are clear with all this concept. We'll go for the definition. Credit sales are found to be missing from incomplete records. So, credit sales are found to be missing. So, in your books of account, how much you did credit sales, it is missing. Now, for evaluating it, there is a need of preparation of total debtors. You don't know how much you sold on credit basis. You don't know how much you have to collect from the customer. Then what you should do? You should prepare debtors account. Then you will get to know how much you are receivable from outsiders. Now, the total sales return, if there is any, must be deducted. You have sold, later goods returned because of damage or quality is not good. Those things we will not consider as sales. From the sales, we have to reduce that. Your sales will be decreased. Now, from the total debtors account, the credit sales is given by balancing figure. So, how to find out your total debtors? Very simple. Total, whatever information you have, everything, whatever balance left out, that is only your total debtors or your closing debtors. Now, similarly, evaluation of credit purchase, whatever we discuss for sales, same thing will happen or same thing will applicable for your purchases also. Now, credit purchases preparing, total creditors account is necessary. Total purchase return should be deducted. Similarly, from the total purchases, if anything is returned, for example, I have purchased some goods out of 10. For example, I purchased 10. Out of 10, 4 is damaged. What I can do? Those 4 goods I can give it back. 10 minus 4, how much I purchased now? Only 6. Clear? Yes. So this will be your debtors account as well as creditors account. Now, so once you learn your debtors account and creditors account, we will learn what is the format for this. Remember, in the format, always you should consider to and by. If it is a debit side, you should consider to. You should consider to. If it is credit side, you should mention it as by. So, by should be on credit side and to should be on your debit side. Now, so this will be your format. So don't be afraid that you will get everything. No, you will get many few things you will get in your format. Remember, what will come under? We are doing debtors account. First, we'll go with debit side. First thing, your balance brought down. It will be given in the question itself. Or else sometimes we should only find out. Now, your opening balance brought down over. Next, bills receivable dishonored. Second one, any bills you have received is dishonored, bounced, cancelled. Next, bank check dishonored. All are same only. So we can call it bills and checks dishonored. Bills and checks dishonored. Next, your credit sales. So I'll tell you the logic how to remember this format. Within, so how much time you need to remember this format? 5 minutes, 10 or 15? Yeah. After knowing this logic, within 30 seconds, you will remember this. You wanted logic? Yes or no? Yes. So the logic is very simple. Debit side, what will come? Three things. First one is what? Balance brought down over. Second one, bills receivable and check dishonored. Remember, it is not only bills receivable dishonored. If it is bills receivable, it will come this side. The same bills receivable cancelled are dishonored. The check is cancelled or dishonored, then it will come under debit side. And the last one is credit sales. Now, tell me which are the things are there in the debit side? Only three things. First one, balance brought down. Yes. Second one, bills receivable and check dishonored. Third one, credit sales. Clear? Yes. Now, what is the logic now? It is not logic, it is nothing but magic. Why? Because you remembered three things. Without seeing this, can you say which are the three things? First one is balance brought down. Second one, your bills receivable and check dishonored. And the third one, credit sales. Now, how to remember all this? No need to remember. Remember only these three. Other than these three, whatever you get in your question paper, that is credit side. Clear? Within 30 seconds, you learned. So, this is a magic. Yeah. Now, other than these three, whatever you get in your question paper, that will come under credit side. No need to remember, no need to mug up this. Only three things you should remember. Check and bills dishonored, balance brought down, opening balance, and credit sales. Other than this, anything you may get, everything comes under credit. Clear? Yes. Cash received, bank received, discount allowed, bad debts, sales return, bills receivable, balance carried on, like your closing balance. Don't remember this, only remember this. Clear? This is all about your debtors account. Now we'll move for creditors account. Creditors account is very simple. Whatever you have seen here, it will be ulta, reverse. Again, I'll repeat. Creditors account is same to same. Whatever you have seen here, it will be reversed. Your buy will become that side, your to will become this side. We'll go for creditors account. Now, so this is your debtors account. As I told you, what is your creditors account? Simple. Whatever we have written here, we have to reverse. So no need of format for that. Why? Because now cash, bank, discount, bad debts, sales return. Sales return will become purchase return. Bills receivable will become bills payable. Balance carried on. So everything will come under debit side. Now, what will come under credit side? Same procedure. Balance brought down will go there. Bills receivable will become bills payable. And your credit sales will become credit purchase. I'll explain you your creditors account while doing your answers. Question and answer while solving. I'll explain you your creditors account. Hope you are clear. First you will learn debtors account. The reverse or opposite of your debtors account, we call it as creditors account. Exactly, you have to reverse. Wherever you will get bills receivable, make it as bills payable. Wherever you get credit sales, you have to make it as credit purchase. Clear? Yes. Now, so example problem. So what kind of problem? I'll give you simple problem. This will be homework for you. You have to do it at home. You have learned the format of debtors. Now you have to prepare debtors account at your home. Let it be it is wrong also, no issue, but you will learn how to prepare debtors account. Now, example, I'll give you first one. Opening debtors 1 lakh. So remember, opening debtors means balance brought down. Next, second one, credit sales is 50,000. Credit sales is 50,000. Next, third one, discount allowed 10,000. Next, fourth one, return in the bracket sales return, maybe 10,000. I'll give you simple numbers so easy to calculate. Now, fifth one, bad debts. Bad debts, sum 10,000. Next, sixth one, cash received. Cash received 1 lakh. Yeah. Can you calculate this? So this will be your homework. Go back to your format, your debtors account. Whatever given in the format, similarly you have to copy and paste. Clear? Yes. Now, so what will be your answer? Whether your answer is correct or wrong. How to find out? Yes, I'll give you a hint. Your final answer must be 20,000. This will be your hint for homework. If you get 20,000 as your answer is correct. Check this. So once if you are done with your answer, in the comment box you have to write whether your answer is correct or wrong. Whether you got 20,000 or else you got some other answer. This will be homework for the day. I'll end this session with the saying that learn concept and earn marks.